reading part was fine, but literature part, I don't know why it got confused so much. That's why I said read a little more, practice a little more, so that it becomes easier.
And have you
MCQ
released the
question.
marks?
Yes, beta. You can. I don't remember releasing or anything, but at least if you open your file, you can see that it's already there. I'll today only I'll release it also. But otherwise, you can always view it. All the papers I've corrected, except of course I haven't done Jayant's paper. Jayant, are you there, beta? Jayant, he's not there.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I was not able to submit my exam, so like Aruniam asked me to like send you on
I know,
WhatsApp,
I know.
so
What
I
what
did that.
Yeah, what you can do, Jayant, because there are so many messages from so many people. So what you can do is just
Okay.
after the class, just say hi on my number so that I can find out
Okay.
your right after the
I
class.
just messaged you. Like I just messaged you.
Yes,
You can check.
right, beta. Because only one paper is left. Because I didn't know
Okay.
where exactly I missed out on your number. Right? I'll this time I'll
No,
store your
it's
number, but
fine.
yeah, others I have
Sure,
corrected,
sure, sure.
and
Thank you.
I won't lie, beta. None of you have done very well. I think more or less 18 and a half, 19 and a half. I think 20 and a half is the highest, if I'm not wrong, out of 25. And
Excuse me, ma'am.
maximum mistake. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you send the answers of the paper, English paper?
Right now we'll do that. Beta, right now we'll discuss the marking scheme. Don't worry. That's exactly why I said that I took up this topic so that you see it here itself, and you can. I'll send it also. Don't worry, so that you can compare your answers. But here also we can discuss because I take up today Ranga's marriage. I'm sure we had done one reading, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I've done or not. Have I completed reading once, all of you? Anybody remember? Yes. But what I can do is because it's been a break of more than 2 weeks, in fact. So we'll do the reading once again. It will not take much time. So at least one reading of Ranga's marriage and the marking scheme today we can discuss so that next 2 periods we can wind up and we can do the address, which is more important. Right. Now let me just discuss without wasting time. Let me just first take the attendance. Now the strength is fine. Akanksha,
Present, ma'am.
Arav Griwal,
Present, ma'am.
Arav Sharma, Agnish,
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita, Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Aman, Aman, Anshika,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan,
Ma'am. Present,
Ayush,
ma'am.
Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Bharadwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Question paper was there with you. So just answer. I'll immediately tell you the answers. What is the first one? Dash hosts 1/4 of world's total glaciers. What have you answered?
Tibetan Plateau.
Tibetan Plateau. There is an
Tibetan
abundance of
Plateau.
dash. Yeah, there is an abundance of dash in Tibet.
Water and natural
All of
resources.
you can,
Natural resources, sir.
yeah, all of you can match your answer. Water and natural resources. Why is ancient Buddhist culture preserved in Tibet? Nobody has answered.
Because
So
of
this
shared
part,
history
History and
Yeah,
culture
Malay.
between India
हम
and
yeah,
third का
Tibet.
third A part है.
Yes.
okay. Why is
Part.
Dharamshala called Tibetan seat of power? Why is
Because
Dharamshala? Because Dalai Lama lives here. In fact, beta, some of you have answered the first that Tibetan parliament and government are based there. So, but the government in exile, which is the Dalai Lama's thing, doesn't have an independent. You can say a recognized one. Maybe some of the countries, they recognize them, but some they don't. China completely opposes. So this is B is the answer because the Dalai Lama lives here. Now, fifth one, meaning of the idiom arm to teeth is
Well equipped.
Well equipped.
well equipped. Right. Now coming to grammar and writing skills, maximum of you have lost marks here also and also in the next one. Now, okay, Bhavya says that the screenshot is not available. Can you see the screen better, all of you? Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. It's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That means, Bhavya, please see if there is something wrong with your part, better, because even my screen is, I can see it. In the other laptop also, I can see it. Okay. Now coming to the first one, the dash of rhetoric. What have you answered?
Conception.
Not conception, beta. It is concept. Yeah, the concept of. The next one is the underlying assumption. Right. Next
Assumption.
one. Right. Next one. Doubt. It's written doubt. It is undoubtedly. The right answer is undoubtedly, but some of you have written doubtless. That also I have given considered and all that. But undoubtedly, no, beta, not that. It is to be one word. No? That nominalization which we did, that was supposed to be in one. Next one. Think, for example. That is, how many of you have written thought? The answer is thought.
Yes, ma'am. Thought.
Yeah. Then coming to the next one, sense. Here it will be nonsense. It has to be one word. Some of you have written senseless, something you have written, but it is the answer is nonsense. Next one is convince. What have you written, all of you?
Conviction.
Conviction.
Conviction. Yes, conviction. Wise. Yeah. Wise is wisdom. Yeah. Next one, beta, answer is reason only. The answer is clear reason. But some of you have written reasoning. I have considered that also as an answer. But please remember the actual answer is reason. Reason in bracket is the answer only. Next one, sound judgment. Okay. I'm not wasting time because it will unnecessarily take time. That's why. Opinionated. If you have written opinionated, I have given you marks there. Now, coming to the next one, that is we choose the correct word from the thing, how you have to make a letter to the editor. See, I had told you also last class also, if you had attended the revision class, there also I had mentioned that you'll have 4 options and you have to fill up from there. So this is not very difficult, but only thing is vocabulary words. If you are well conversant with the vocabulary words, you do. Now, what I'll do is, better today I'll share some links with you. I realize some of you have some issues with the vocabulary words. So there is a, you can say, app also. There is a site also called BBC Teams, Teens, Teens. Okay. So in that you will have lots and lots of speaking and listening activities. Once you do that, you have
Ma'am,
vocabulary.
BBC Teens.
Yes, Teens. Please open that website. There is also one called learning in vocabulary words. Learning. I'll just share all these with you. Don't worry. I see. First exam, I realized. See, when you are there physically in the class, it's very easy to assess you. Very easy to ask and when you write in front of me, I guide you accordingly. Now I know exactly after reading your copies and all that what exactly where we all need a little improvement. All of you must develop the habit of reading a little bit. You might say, ma'am, we are all science students, we don't have time. But please stop giving all excuses. At least as a science student, study a magazine called Down to Earth. I hope you have heard this. Anybody who reads or has heard about it, Down to Earth. Yeah, please read it. But it's science related also, and the vocabulary is exceptionally good. So if you have some time, whenever you are free, that is, you can online take it up. You can read that. Or there is something called National Geographic. You can read that. It is also very informative. It is science-based also, and plus vocabulary. And of course, like I said, please follow the link called BBC Teams. On that, we have listening activity, we have speaking activity, vocabulary, and all that, which will help you a lot. I'll write them. I'll send it to you on the group. Okay. Now, coming to the words, the vocabulary words, they are important. The first one is needs. If you have written needs, that's mark. Second one, conscientious. Conscientious. Next one, cramming. The next one, mock. Fifth one, it will be knowledgeable. Sixth one, it is the curriculum. Seventh one, tuition. Eighth one, plagiarizing. Ninth one, self-study. 10th one, finally, that is graduate. Now, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of plagiarizing? Plagiarizing.
Copying someone else's work and passing it off.
Copying.
Very true. Yeah. And what is conscientious? Anybody? What is conscientious? No.
Some self-thought.
Yeah, kind of. With values, well thought of, with a lot of values, with the base there. No. It's basically something to do, not completely, I won't deny, Kanak. I won't completely deny. But yes, something which is like you think, ponder, and then do. That kind of. Okay. Now, cramming. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of cramming?
Ma'am, mugging up.
Yes, very good. Rote learning. Okay, now coming to the fourth one, 1 and 2. The first one is expository. The second one is narrative. So if you guys have written that, I've given you the mark. I'll explain that also. Now let me just hurry up, just tell you the thing. Next, fifth one. The first one, A, the answer is
All of
what was
the
the
above.
turning point? What was the turning point? No, beta.
A.
No longer to school with him.
Yes, no longer with the school. Then next one, what is not true? Please remember, what is not true? The grandmother was
Bigot.
bigot. Yeah.
Ma'am, why not stoic?
But it's already there. You see the book, you'll find out. She's a stoic lady. She's benevolent, she's gentle, she's intuitive. She kind of apprehends like what will be there in the future. She's quite strong and determined and all that. But bigot is somebody who's not in that league. Somebody who completely is different. She doesn't follow the norms, that kind of a thing. Okay. Now coming to the next.
Ma'am, isn't it a person who has a particular opinion towards, stereotype towards a particular type of people?
But I
also?
feel like she is a bygone.
But no,
Ma'am,
because
because
she might have been very conservative and traditional in her thing, but she was not close to everything. She obviously, had she been close, she would have never permitted her grandchild to go to the school. Learned. She might not agree to a thing.
But ma'am, she was not very happy when he did go because she did not. She wasn't the one who sent her to.
I know. But she did not oppose it either. That is what it is. That's why I'm saying. Bigot is somebody who's got a staunch ideas about things. Something which you cannot deter. Something which you cannot remove. Okay.
Ma'am, I thought she was a bigot because she referred to the people who play music as she hated them.
Beta, everything is fine. But my thing is, she was not, because she did not impose it on somebody. It was her opinion, no doubt, but she was not imposing anything on others. She was very much okay with it. With the grandson went abroad. That time going abroad was also a very big thing. That you lose your caste and all, but she did not object to it. Her priorities were very clear that grandson should be happy. So if somebody doesn't have a very staunch view of something, is not a bigot. Okay. Coming to the C part, the grandmother was not formally educated, yet was serious about the author's education. Please tell me, pick out the answer that is not true.
Second, got him admitted to
Second.
school.
Very good.
Second.
Sixth one. Yeah. Sixth one. The cardboard shows me how it was. What does the poet intend to convey when she says he appears to have changed less?
Ma'am, they compare mortal humans to perennial nature.
Think.
Ma'am, F.
Yes, ma'am. F part.
The F part is right. A, B, and D all are right. Okay. So that's why F option is right. Coming to the next one. What is the poetic device used in the line terribly transient speech?
All of
All of. Yes, all of the above. Next one. There is nothing to say at all. It's silent silences. State the devices used in the line. It's silent silences. The answer is all of the above. Coming to the next one. Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake. Which statement is not correct as per the code? It's the fifth one. Was
And
generous
fourth
with
one.
fifth one, beta. Because the rest of the things they come into that line only. Was generous with animals, birds, and farmers is completely out of context. That's why it is not correct. Next, last one. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse deals with two Armenian boys who stray away from the values of trust and honesty which the tribe was famous for. Why had they strayed away?
All of the
Yes,
All
all
of
of
them.
them. Yes, so all the
Excuse
answers
me,
are done.
And what was the answer of B part?
B part. Which B
Ma'am,
part?
Sixth question.
B one, the last one.
B part.
I'll
Sixth.
send you. I will send you. I'll send you. Don't worry. We'll not fight over that and waste time now. I'll send you both the papers, both the answer schemes. Right now only I'll send after the class. Okay. Now coming to the yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the silences question, you have incorrected my part while I have also written all of the above.
Okay,
And me
Bhavya.
too.
Okay. Okay. Message me on my thing. I will correct it. But if I've done it, I will definitely.
some transferred epithet, ma'am. And
Pardon me.
ma'am, जो वो होगा मैम terribly transient feat, तो ma'am in that the poetic device should be transient epithet.
Better, there are three poetic devices there. You have alliteration, you have transferred epithet, and you have synecdoche also. Okay. Okay. Coming back to your chapter now, by roll number wise, beta, all of you, I think all of you are